So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be getting the Ranchero one step closer to being able to get painted. We're going to try and get it all sanded down and get it painted this weekend because it is going into November. It's a few days into November now and it's been cold. So we're going to have a nice weekend. We've got as much disassembled as we can. We can't get the side marker lights out and the trim around the two side windows we cannot get off. Also, the back bolt on each mirror on each side is stripped out, so we cannot get those out. But right now what I'm working on is I'm sanding down these lines on the striping because if you can't really tell, but from going to here and here there's a lip where this is, so we're sanding them down smooth first and then we're gonna sand the car as one. On this side you can already see I did it. There isn't any lip anymore, so we may try and get the door handles and key locks out, but I'm not sure. But we're just trying to get it sanded down and get all the rust spots fixed. There's this spot on the hood that we need to redo. Somebody already tried to redo it. It was covered in Bondo, so I don't know. There's a couple places on this car where I found Bondo spots, so it may have already been repainted before, but we're not sure. But I'm gonna set y'all up on a time lapse and keep getting to sanding these lines. Okay, well, we've been working on the Ranchero some more and we've got it almost ready for paint. We need to sand a little more on the hood just to get it all smoothed out and maybe go over just the small parts with some glazing putty. We also still need to sand the front quarter panel and door, as well as the roof and along the back window, and then it'll be ready for filler primer. And we've got stuff taped up. We've also went and got a used steering column from the junkyard to try and put in here, but we need to get a new ignition so we can have a key that'll work, because the old one won't work for that. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna try and get it done as soon as we can. Just we don't always have enough time to work on this, but that's what we've got done so far. We also are going to do the grille, the headlight bezels, and the bumpers black. We got some plasti dip just for now to see how we like it, and if we want to make it permanent, then we're going to go ahead and paint the wheels and the bumpers.